equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the ASUS UM425Q to upgrade its hard drive. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open the device and prevent any static damage. First, power down your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the base. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove the screws, and then gently pry open the back panel with your spudger. Take your time here to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the hard drive compartment. The hard drive is typically secured with a couple of screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. If you find this process a bit daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Now, gently slide the hard drive out of its slot. Be cautious not to pull too hard, as there may be connectors attached. If you're replacing the hard drive, take your new drive and align it with the connector. Slide it in gently until it's firmly in place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Next, it's a good idea to clean the internal components while you have the laptop open. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other components. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. After cleaning, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the panel. Before you power on your laptop, ensure everything is connected properly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Now, power on your ASUS UM425Q. If everything has gone smoothly, your laptop should boot up with the new hard drive. You may need to format the new drive before use, which can be done through your operating system's disk management tool. Finally, if you'd like a quote before repair or any further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you get the most out of your ASUS UM425Q. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.